So this lane here to my left hand side, there's an arrow on the ground saying it's supposed to go that way, but everybody's going the other way. So which is which? I'm not sure. Et voilà, bienvenue au Marrakech. Attendez s'il vous plaît. You see, we had to stop here because this roundabout, it's the inbound traffic that has the right of way, not us. Oh, this is absolute carnage. I'm loving it. Welcome to Marrakesh. Yeah, just a good thing about being on a bike is that you can just pull away quicker than the rest of the traffic. But then you have traffic ahead of you, like this bus here, for example. Ooh, which is also pulling away. filtering along. People undertaking all that jazz. Look at that. filtering. This is my filtering song. Guy's in such a hurry and now we have to wait for him, changing lanes like crazy. Oh dear. You see the cops, they're everywhere. Whew, bloody hell. Bloody hell. You don't need commentary, this is a show of its own right. Just watching people going by. Oh dear. I wonder what this is. Marrakesh town centre maybe? Looks like a walled part of the city. Another crater. Very old. Look at those houses inside, built against the wall. Oh, this is nice. It's like going back in time. Oh, the smells. It smells like freshly baked bread from somewhere and fried fish from somewhere else. Barbecue going on to the left. Some sweets. Oh, that guy almost crashed into me. This guy behind me. Well, these scooters are so small and so light. They're like ants. You can't do that on a big bike, can you? Another crater. Come on. Oops, oops, oops. I'm just thinking I need to be extra careful later tonight when I come back. I don't know if we're going to come back the same road, but need to be extra careful. Oh, look at that, so nice. Yeah, you apparently can take tours on those things. Poor horsey. It's got 2 horsepower. Ooh, cobblestones, I hate these. They're so slippery. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, yeah. Let's go inside the walls. Again. No idea where we are. Only that it's possibly Marrakesh. Oh, look at that. Spices. All these smells everywhere. I wonder if this is the big square that everybody's talking about. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see. Definitely the GS with the big panniers is not the best bike to ride in central Marrakesh. Marrakesh city centre. I'm glad I'm not I don't have the panniers on, and the GT is very narrow, so it can squeeze its way through almost every situation. But this is a heavy workout for the clutch and the clutch hand. And another thing that I've noticed is that now that we are closer to the desert, there's this very fine dust in the air. It goes into every little nook and crevice and hole you can think of. It goes in it. And so when I take my gloves off and I wash my hands, I feel all the thin dust in them, or on them, on my hands. Whoa. Okay. When in Rome. Mosque. Oh, another crater. No, just missed it. Just missed it. Thank God. Merci. this Jag there. Quite beat up Jag, I might add. An old X-Type. Yeah, I might as well turn off the engines. It's getting too hot. Too hot for my legs as well. Because the air is, when the fans go on, the radiator fans go on, the air is blown right to my onto my legs, and so that's the mullah calling the men for the evening prayer. Filmei tudo, pá, até aqui. Conseguimos, chegamos sãos e salvos.
Porra! Epá,
Isto é...
eu outra vez estacionei ali ao pé da mula, agora
está tudo cortado, está tudo. Pois é. Epá, isto é... isto é uma aventura. Okay. Right, that's it. We made it. Safe and sound. Cheers.